What's up, people? You know it. This is your boy Tyree. And if you're not already, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe to my channel and click on that notification bell so every time I push out new videos, you will be notified. So, based on what you guys saw in this thumbnail, earning my second payment from Honeygain. Now, which is cool. It took a little bit of while, to earn, but I don't care. It's free money, free passive income, which is cool. Um, the first one I thought, because I seen before I signed up, I was like, hey, I was a little skeptical of saying if it's real, can you really make money? Just setting it up one time and make passive income on a daily basis, and then that can lead to getting your money and receiving a payment from PayPal. I was wrong, man, and I seen a lot of proof, and it opened my eyes like, hey, let me sign up with this company. I signed up, I was good, and now I want to bring you guys I'm going to log into my computer in a little bit, but before we get to the computer, Honeygain is 100% legit. 100% legit. You sign up. I'm going to leave that link in the description below, and you can sign up as well, and it's 100% free. All right. So I'm going to go onto my computer, and you guys going to see me live. I'm going to be cashing out, and within 2 days, I'm going to definitely receive my payment from Honeygain. Okay. So let me go to the computer, and we're gonna cash out live together, and I'm gonna show you the ends of the back of the site, and you can earn a significant amount based on your internet usage speed. So the way it works with Honeygain is like you sell your unused internet usage. We get about 6 terabytes of internet. Most companies don't want you to know that. Your internet provider don't want you to know that. So, depending on your internet speed, it goes based on earnings. So, let's jump onto the computer, and I'm going to show you guys step by step, and then I'm going to be cashing out live. So, let me jump right into the computer. Hey, what's going on, people? I'm back on the computer. This is the main site of Honeygain. As you guys can see, sign in as well. So this is where it works. You could get it on the Windows, also the Android device, and if you guys are Mac users, you can use that. And the way it works is you download the app. You only can have 3 devices, okay? So you can use a laptop or a tablet or a phone, or you can use laptop, desktop. You can switch it up as long as it's 3 devices per network. You're good. All right. So that's you can make as low as from $3 a month at 1 gigabyte a day, 1 gigabyte per day, upwards to 100 gigabytes per day. So that's $300 a month. That's kind of rare. Only a very few people are hitting that. My goal is at least I want to get it up to. This is my goal. I'm gonna at least have 50 gigs a day, if possible. If it's based on referrals, it's based on internet speed. So it's a lot of factors. Okay. Let me see. All right, so I'm gonna sign in. Okay. This right here. So I've earned 39 cents so far. I had to restart as well. And I'm gonna show you guys proof that I have my payment is on its way. I have 15 referrals. I have 4 devices now. I have one device that is my network that I use. Then I have 3 devices on my home network that I use. So internet is running, pretty decent. So I generated the last 30 days, but it's more gigabytes per this, I believe. Yeah, it's more gigabytes. This has to go. Let me push this down. Sorry, guys. So, right now I've generated 41 cents as of today, 41 cents. And then I'm going to show you the transaction that I've withdrawn. This is on my second payment, guys. So I've made this month of $22.35 as well. So let me also show you the payout too. I'm gonna show you guys the payout that I received from Honeygain today. So you guys can see, look, this is real. This is not a scam. And for all those skeptics out there, it is not a scam, okay? So, hey, Tyree Brown, just wanted to let you know that we've confirmed your payout of $22.35, and it has been forwarded to you. Money will be transferred to your PayPal account shortly. Put love the Honeygain team. This is the Honeygain team. So please allow 2 business days. So that was yeah, so this morning, so which is cool. So I wanted to show you guys that it's real. You can make money as well with it. This is my second payment. This is passive. This is free money. Free money, man. So it's nothing, like you gotta look at it this way, guys. In a bank, right? You're not generating no interest. You got to have a whole lot of money to generate interest as well. Even if you have a certain amount, it's still not getting 1%. And the percentage, the APR rate on banks is like, it's going down, so you're barely getting interest on your money. So it's like this. You're making this every single day. You understand? It depends on your internet speed. So I can't guarantee what your internet, depends on your internet speed. I'm running at 300 megabits per second. Okay? That's why it's moving sufficiently, and I'm have 4 devices on my network. I have 15 referrals. So my goal is to have 1,000 referrals. If I can have 1,000 referrals and all of them sharing the internet, I get a collection as well. I get a percentage on the gathering. So it's good by gathering content, and I'm sharing as well. So which is good. So just wanted to share that with you guys, man, that this is legit, this is real. You can really make money as well. So these are my gather referrals, like plus 23.3 points as well. So I'm getting points from everyone, in my referral list, which is good. So it's pretty cool. So I'm working on my 3rd referral right now. So you must have $20 to a minimum requirement. You got to have $20 so you can cash out. So if anything below $20, you cannot cash out. It will have a bar. So this bar has to be at 100%. Once it's at 100%, then you can cash out, which is wonderful. So this is passive income for me. This is one of my many, many, many streams of income. So this is 20-something dollars I'm earning on a monthly basis. Easy money. I can't complain. Free money. That goes in my little piggy bank on my online stuff, and other investments. I can invest in like stocks. You can invest your money in stocks. And so imagine you getting free money, and you can invest it in stocks. You can invest it in and other things. You can pay a phone bill or something like that. You know what I mean? So which is cool. So guys, I appreciate you following me as well. I'm just showing you a little bit of the back office as well of Honeygain and stuff. So I appreciate you following me. And don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. And most importantly, subscribe to my channel. God bless and peace out. Yeah.